Hello everyone, welcome to your first Python tutorial. Today we are um, going to see some programming, a widely used programming language, Python. It is widely used for some artificial intelligence, and it's used to deal with a large amount of data. And today we're going to look at it. As you see here, a very short line: print hello world. What does it do? It will show something on the shell. The shell is this part. Okay, there's a yeah, idle, but you know what? I cannot record them when I'm using the idle, so I use this Visual Studio Code instead. Let's try. What? Oh yeah, see here. We have the little line here, hello world. What you type in here, it will be shown on the shell. Yeah. What? Okay, I think we have some problems here. Yeah, see. Okay, although it is, yeah, it shows a string. Although it's very troublesome to save and run, but yeah, we have to do this. Otherwise, we can't record any video. Okay, as you see, there's a string here. String. What is a string? A string is like a word or something. Okay, let's talk of the data types. There are many data types. Okay, there's a type function to let you know about something. For example, this one. I don't know what is it. It can show you. Oh, sorry, I forgot to print. You know what? Print is a very important. Oh, sorry. Okay, I have to say that every command is in a small letter, so don't type any. What? Okay, we have to deal with some. What is it? Hello? Print type. I don't think we have a problem here, but I don't know, I didn't. Yes, cast string. As you can see, inside this type thing and quotation marks, it's showing a string. It's a string. Okay, how about trying something else? How about this one? You think it's called a number? No, it's not. It's integer. How about this? Float. It's a float, but I don't know why. It's printing int on the. Yeah, you remember, if there's some decimal place behind the number, it will be a float. Otherwise, it will be like this. Okay, actually, it's a function. You see class there. We'll talk about it later. Oh, sorry, I didn't save the file. Sorry. It will give you 12 if you don't write float, but if you write float, it will give you this. Float. Save the file first and run the active file. It'll give you a decimal place. Oops, sorry. No matter how many decimal places you have there, it will still print it out. See. Okay. After print, I think we still have many. Yeah, this is the first lesson. Okay, I'll list the functions we learned today. Print, type, int, string and float. Print is a function for showing something on the shell, or you call it terminal here. Type is a function that will show you the type of something. Yeah, the data type. Int is a function that will make something a numerical data. Okay, yeah, it's like this. String, okay, that's actually when you are doing something more complicated, but you will use this function. But if you are coding some easy programs, you won't able to use it because it's just, yeah, it's useless in some aspects. And float, what will it do? It will show you some decimal place like here. Okay, that's the video for today. Make sure subscribe and like my video. Thank you. We'll see you in next lesson.